In this video, we'll cover how you can choose the order in which your attributes are displayed in your Coderis PIM. So for example, I am on the Coderis demo site here, and if I go to ceilings, we land in the ceilings category, and as you can see, it lists all the products, but also the filters and attributes on the side here. And just to recap what a filter and an attribute is, all of these groups here, for example, product brands, acoustical edge, type, those are what we call filter categories, and then inside you have your attributes. So inside the product brands filter category, you have the attributes of USG, Certainteed, Rockfon, and Semco. And what we'll be covering today specifically is how you choose which way you want to order these attributes. By default, your Coderis PIM will put the ones with the most products in them at the top. So as you can see, USG has 135 products here. We can filter on that if we want. And Certainteed has 44, Rockfon 43, and so on. It's going to list the highest count first and then go in order, in descending order. There's also two other ways you can order them. You can choose to order these attributes in alphabetical order, or you can choose a custom order in which you'd like these displayed. So let's hop over to the operations portal and sign in. I'm already signed in here. And let's head over to the PIM section and then to filter categories. So as you can see, here's all of the filter categories that we have set up in the system. I am going to work with the brand filter category. So I'm going to search for brand here in the code column. And here is our product brands filter category that we saw on the website. And if you scroll over to the right here, you'll see order values by column. And this is the column that you can change in order to change the order in which the attributes are displayed in this filter category. So for example, it's currently set to count, which is the default. That will mean that the attributes with the highest number of products in them are going to appear first, as we just saw. However, you can also choose to sort them by alphabetical, which will be this option here, name as number. So let's go ahead and select that option. And if we hop back over here, as you can see, this is sorted by count. But if we refresh, they are now sorted in alphabetical order. The third option is a custom order. So if we change this to category order, it will now rank the attributes in order that we specify. So if we hop into the details for this product brands category, we will see all the attributes inside this filter category. And for example, if we refresh, we can see that these are being displayed in alphabetical order right now, but because we have selected category order, we can actually change the order in which these are displayed. So for example, if we want to put Rockfon first and Semco next, we could hop back over here. Let's search for Rockfon. And if we click edit, we can change the order to 1. And let's change the order of Semco to 2. You can click edit, 2, save. And if we hop back over to the website and refresh, we can see that Rockfon is displayed here and Semco next. Now Certainteed and USG have a default order of 0. So because 0 is lower than 1, they are going to show up first. But then Rockfon order is set to 1 and Semco is set to 2. So therefore they are now in the order that we wanted them. And of course, instead of manually editing each attribute's order individually here, you could also do it in bulk by going to the attributes screen and choosing the order column here. And you could go ahead and update the order in this embedded spreadsheet as well. As you can see, here's our Semco is set to 2 and Rockfon is set to 1. Alright, so that was a brief overview of how you can control in which order your attributes are displayed. Hopefully that was helpful, and thanks for watching.